12, 2022 at 8:45 p.m. The overall theme and behavior for the 27th is going to be a deep dive, guys. Deep dive. This is a sharp down day. We revisit a crest in the midst of some erratic behavior around a price level, so we'll go like back and forth through it, and we'll revisit a crest there in the pre-market. We revisit a problem right around the open that brings us a notable decline, something to do with an agreement between two leaders, and that first half hour is really going to bring a decline in. We have a notable decline there in that first half hour, and a trade opportunity looks like probably just prior to that taking place. All right, between roughly 10 and 11, we have a failed attempt to break resistance and a decline through support. Roughly, that decline continues between roughly let's say, so like roughly 11:30ish. We have a rally that commences around the low. There's also a fake out at the day's low here. The behavior around the day's low is going to be a fake out. So there's a rally that marks an opportunity to short again or open up some protection here midday, and then we have a resistance level that's met, followed by a decline with increasing volatility as we move into a day's low somewhere here around the 2 o'clock market ish, give or take a bit. We do have a push higher in that last hour to bump along resistance. Let's say in the last 45 hour and 15 minutes, somewhere in there, we'll be bumping along a resistance level, and marks an opportunity to open up some protection or some short positions again, because right around the close we have either a sharp decline or a peak just prior to a sharp decline. A male ruler is highlighted in the post-market. Something big's going on here, guys, because we have there's some sort of intentional fake out around the low. That's probably the fake out right there, it looks like. In any case, the sneak preview card for what will be the 31st, because there's a Memorial Day, I believe it's the 30th. So 31st is the next trading day. And we have multiple failed attempts to break through a key resistance level, as well as a trade opportunity and further decline there on the 31st, my friends. That's the 27th of May, 2022. Let me know what you do. Let me, if you have a strategy that you're planning, or let me know how you did with this information. I'd love to see when people write they made $10,000 after they found it. I love that stuff, dude. That's so badass. It really makes me feel accomplished, because that's what I'm here to do, guys, is help people. Proving that anything is possible is probably some of the best help that you could provide to somebody, because it's infinity, my friends, and we lock ourselves in our own little prisons. To see that the impossible becomes possible is a first step in unlocking ourselves. I'll see y'all later, guys.